Hello everybody, today is Saturday and I have some work to do around the house. I need to go to the garage to put these travel bags. They are messing around here at home. I need to put a new curtain pole in my bedroom. I have a new security camera to install. And I need to go to the recycling, put the mattress. Hello everybody, we are the 8 Plus family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I have these ones in my bedroom, but I don't like this one. This is quite This is the result. We want a total black curtains. Done. I'm here with Jaden and Mathilde.
Hi.
And I'm gonna install this one. It's a Tapo C200 camera. It's really easy to install. I'm gonna put this on Jaden's bedroom to check the Jaden and Tomas during the night. It's quite easy. We're gonna start doing now. Cable. Camera. And this is if you want to screw on the wall or
Like
whatever you want.
Like you did with mine?
Yes. This is not difficult to do it. But I need to plug in. Mathilde,
Yeah?
you want to plug in, please?
Sure. Where?
There.
You sounded my ears.
This part.
You sounded my
Careful.
ears when you kissed me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Now,
Why is it red?
because she's doing the settings.
She?
Yeah, the camera.
It's a she?
Is whatever you want.
I want it to be.
And then we need the Tapo app. You can get the Tapo app on the Play Store. She's doing the settings. You can see camera. She's doing. When she finished this, she's ready to install on the app.
Stop.
You need to go to the app. This is the normal hub, the Tapo hub, add smart C200.
Can I see?
It's over there.
Ooh.
In our case, we have one is on Matilda's bedroom, and now it's gonna put this one, and you can see it's already connected. You can use this too. Hello. It's not easy, it's not difficult. 5 minutes and the camera is on. Now it's only to put the camera on the Jaden's bedroom. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I have two cameras, two of the Tapo Link cameras, you can set up and see the both of the cameras at the same time. It's very easy, no problems. You can check all the time. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video and see you soon.